Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Um, Welcome to today's session. We'll just give 1 or 2 minutes for other people to join in before we start proper. Hello to you too. How are you? Good morning. My Easter was fine, boring. My Easter was boring. None of you sent me Easter bread and chicken. But it was good anyways. Spent time with family. That was very important to me. So now the Easter holiday is over. Let's get back on the chart and see what this week has for us. You guys know my trading day usually starts from Tuesday. It's not like I don't trade other days. I don't trade on Mondays. I do trade on Mondays as well. Anytime the setup presents itself, but I'm not really big on outrightly looking for setups on a Monday, just because the market is just trying to, especially when we're coming from this kind of Easter break. We had a good pump, but it was not really still crazy like that. But most times from Tuesday, the market starts to spread out, you know, distribution start taking place, impulsive moves, and that's what we're after. Impulsive moves, not corrections, not range and all of that. So it's always best to start on Tuesday. However, if the setup appears on a Monday, don't hesitate as far as it meets your condition. Fire down. Understand? Welcome. Good morning to you too. Good to see you guys. Hope everybody's well and healthy. All right. Um, so normally before I come on live like this, I usually do my own pre-analysis, you understand, to just check out for my own pairs that I'm looking out for so that when I do my analysis and get my setups ready, then I can show you the setups as well that I'm looking at. But today is kind of like crazy because I don't really have much. Nothing is really happening for me in the market. I'm not seeing clean setups like that, that I'm crazily anticipating. Just one or two, and they're not really my best kind of setups, or let me say they're not my best pairs. So yeah, good morning to you. Welcome, Samson. Welcome. Good morning. So I may not be able to show you guys a lot today, so I will take opportunity to show you the one or two that I have. Then I will take setups from you guys as well. So basically, what I'm trying to also pass, the message I'm also trying to pass here is that forcing yourself on the market is not a good idea. You understand? If you don't see something, you relax. Today you might not see anything. Tomorrow the market may coagulate itself again and make some good moves and then show you some better setups. So I try my best not to force myself on the market just because I'm not seeing any chart, any good setups, and I need to show you guys something. No, if there is nothing for me to show you guys, I'm not going to show you anything. Do you understand? And as you guys know, most of the setups that we take in our live sessions here, they usually play out like really nicely. Last week, you guys saw what happened if you were on my live. The week before that, the same thing. So it's usually crazy. And sometimes it's the setup that you guys even show me, like, please help me check out this pair. And when I check it out, sometimes I also take advantage of that pair. So that's what we're going to be doing basically today. But I still have, I think, two setups that I think I'm looking at as well. After that, I will now show you guys, or I will take questions from you to also find out what you're looking at so that we can check it out together. All right, like I said, I'm not really seeing much in the market right now. No clean setups for me like that. So let me just show you guys what I have now. So let me share my screen and we'll start from BTC. BTC. These are my two pairs, right? BTC. Yeah. So this was last week. We ate this last week. We ate this last week. It was pretty hot, 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 hot. Okay, so going into this week now, this is what BTC is doing. So last week we hit TP here, and you see that I had this zone right here, which was like the destination zone. However, we took our first TP from this point, and I said that Now, after the TP was hit, you see how market dropped back again and then gave another massive impulsive move. So I'm not going to do much analysis on this because we've done that already if you're following. So we can just see the internal breakout structure that we have here. And then we're going to just proceed because basically the market is doing exactly how we projected, right? Nothing short of that. From this point, it has created a low that created this high. However, you can see that this supply zone has not yet been mitigated. That means this order block is still unmitigated, and this order block is a very fragile one. Not a fragile, sorry, it's a very powerful one that swept liquidity. So we must see some kind of reactions on this order block. And where we are now, market did not get there. So intentionally, this means that we have engineered liquidity just here, right? Because people sold here, obviously. So we have stop losses just above it, which is an inducement for liquidity, right? So, yeah. So we have liquidity just before this order block, which validates this order block for us again. However, the market is not there yet. And in order to join this market, now, one thing you will understand here is that BTC has been given deep retracement, like very, very deep retracement. If you look from even from behind